Rishita, congratulations for this wonderful result.
Thank
See,
you, ma'am.
she's got a wonderful result, 8.5, 8.5, 7.5 in speaking and 7 in writing. Rishita, how was your overall experience at this place?
My overall experience at this place was amazing because of the staff, which is highly dedicated and hardworking. That's why it was an overall amazing experience.
Rishita, आपने ये templates के साथ साथ ये tips use किए थे?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I think it is due to your tips only that I have scored this much.
So, did predictions in writing help you?
Yes, predictions were a hit. Total hit.
Total hit?
Yes.
कौन सा topic predict किया था? आपने कैसे किया उसको?
You predicted about robots and it came and
you were there in the polishings
yes.
as well. ठीक है.
You gave some examples that robots are used in heavy machinery industry, so I used that example over there.
That's very good. So how are you feeling about this result?
I'm feeling amazing and also I was on cloud 9. Actually it was an unexpected result for me.
That's pretty good. And yeah, I was expecting a good result. मेरे को लग रहा था आपका score अच्छा आएगा.
And I give 50% credit to BDS and you.
Thank you so much, bete.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to you, your family. Congratulations to your family and thanks to you for working hard. God really bless you, bete.
God
bless you with all the success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.